Hey there, tea enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about uncovering the fascinating stories behind the everyday things we love. Today, we're steeping ourselves into the world of a tea titan, Lipton. That's right, Lipton, the brand that's been making our tea time special for over a century. But how much do you know about this tea giant? Brace yourself for 10 unbelievable facts you didn't know about Lipton. Fact number 1. Lipton, founded by Sir Thomas Lipton in 1890, has a unique history that has helped the brand become one of the largest and most recognized tea companies in the world. The Scottish entrepreneur had the vision to create premium tea blends that were accessible to everyone, and his legacy lives on as Lipton continues to be a household name. With over 130 years of experience, the company is dedicated to producing high-quality tea and promoting sustainability in the industry. Lipton's story is a testament to the power of hard work and innovation in creating a successful business that impacts the lives of millions of people worldwide. Fact number 2. Did you know that Lipton, one of the most popular tea brands in the market, didn't start its journey as a tea company? It's true. Lipton was initially a grocery chain started by Sir Thomas. However, he soon realized his passion lay in tea and decided to use his grocery business to launch his line of teas. This turned out to be a clever move, and Lipton tea quickly became a household name. It's incredible to think about how a small change of direction could lead to such tremendous success. Sir Thomas's entrepreneurial spirit remains an inspiration to this day. Fact number 3. When it comes to enjoying a hot cup of tea, the quality of the tea leaves plays a vital role in its taste and aroma. This is why the Lipton Company takes pride in owning its tea estates. From selecting the right seeds to harvesting the leaves, the Lipton team manages the entire process with utmost care and attention to detail to ensure that the tea you sip is of the best quality. By controlling the quality of the tea right from the leaf, the Lipton Company guarantees its customers the perfect brew every time. Fact number 4. Did you know that before Lipton introduced tea bags in the early 20th century, loose tea leaves were the only option for tea lovers? Lipton's innovation certainly revolutionized the tea industry, making tea-making a more convenient and accessible experience for many. No more worrying about strainers, tea infusers, or loose leaves floating about in your cup. With tea bags, all you need to do is steep, sip, and enjoy. It's amazing to think about how one small change in packaging completely transformed the way we make and consume tea today. Fact number 5. Have you ever wondered which brand holds the record for making the world's largest iced tea? Well, wonder no more because Lipton holds that title. In 2010, Lipton created a gigantic iced tea that was an astounding 12.5 feet tall. It is an impressive feat to think about how much tea and ice it must have taken to fill a container that large. Although it may seem like a silly record to hold, it is undoubtedly one that Lipton is proud of. So the next time you reach for a refreshing glass of Lipton iced tea, you can sip with a sense of awe knowing that it comes from a brand that has accomplished such a remarkable feat. We're halfway through our tea journey. If you're enjoying this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing facts. Now, let's get back to it. Fact number 6. Did you know that Lipton tea is one of the most widely distributed beverage brands in the world? With over 150 countries carrying the famous tea brand, it's no wonder that it's a go-to choice for many tea enthusiasts. From the Americas to Asia and Europe, Lipton tea has become a household name and a globally recognized brand. Its rich heritage and reputation for distinct and refreshing blends have made it a favorite beverage for people all around the world. Fact number 7. As one of the most widely recognized tea brands in the world, Lipton has been a staple in many households for decades. However, in 2008, Lipton achieved an incredible feat by becoming the official tea of the Beijing Olympics. This partnership not only highlighted the popularity of Lipton worldwide, but also showcased the brand's commitment to quality and excellence. Sipping on a cup of Lipton tea, one could almost imagine themselves sitting amongst the athletes competing for the gold medal. The Beijing Olympics may have been over a decade ago, but Lipton's legacy as a gold medal tea will continue to live on for years to come. Fact number 8. Lipton, one of the world's most popular tea brands, has a long-term commitment to sustainability. As part of its efforts to reduce its environmental impact, by 2020, all Lipton tea was sourced from Rainforest Alliance certified estates. This means that the tea is grown using environmentally and socially responsible methods, addressing issues such as deforestation and protecting wildlife and communities. Choosing Rainforest Alliance certified tea helps to ensure that the tea you enjoy is of the highest quality, while also being sustainable for the future. With Lipton's commitment to sustainability, you can enjoy your cup of tea and feel good about your impact on the environment. Fact number 9. Beyond the beloved classic black tea, Lipton boasts an impressive variety of other teas. For those looking for a pick-me-up without the jolt of caffeine, their green teas are an ideal option. Their collection of herbal teas offers flavors and blends known for their soothing properties. Lipton also has a matcha line for those who are looking for a more intense, earthy flavor to their tea. And for warmer weather, their iced tea collection includes refreshing flavors like raspberry and peach. Whether you're an experienced tea drinker or just beginning to explore new options, Lipton's array of teas is sure to have something to satisfy your taste buds. Fact number 10. Lipton, a globally recognized brand, is known not only for its quality tea, but also for its iconic yellow label design. The yellow label was introduced during the early 1900s, and it has been an integral part of the brand's identity ever since. This design has become so associated with Lipton that it is instantly recognizable to consumers, making it an essential aspect of the brand's success. The yellow label, with its bright, cheerful color and simple yet elegant design, has helped Lipton stand out in the competitive world of tea packaging and has become a part of the brand's legacy. And there you have it, 10 unbelievable facts about Lipton tea. From the grocery store to the world's largest iced tea, Lipton has steeped itself deep into our tea-loving hearts. So next time you're enjoying a warm cup or a cool iced glass of Lipton tea, remember the incredible journey that brought this iconic beverage to your hand. That's all we have for today, tea enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Lipton, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow tea lovers. And remember, keep brewing and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you in the next video.